wrong building. You can hear thunder. You are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Richmond County in southeastern New York until 6:45 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Newark, Elizabeth, Bayonne, Plainfield, Linden, Summit, Milburn, Harrison, Caldwell, Orange, Todd Hill, Verrazano Narrows Bridge, Huguenot, Clark and Fairfield. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Essex, Hudson and Union, and Staten Island, New York.